How to make spicy turmeric ginger tea to relieve joint and knee pain. Many studies have shown the amazing health benefits of turmeric. It is a spice containing curcumin, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that can aid in better health. Ginger, which is less well known in the medical profession, offers anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving qualities as well. Apart from that, ginger is used to cure nausea, motion sickness and digestive issues. Due to its high nutritional value, ginger is considered a superfood. Combining these two natural wonders to creates a strong pain reliever. There are many recipes for pain relief, but few are as adaptable and potent as turmeric and ginger tea. We will show you how to make this delightful drink. This amazing mixture may be enjoyed in only 10 minutes. But first, a little information on what causes joint and knee inflammation. Inflammation is your body's natural defense system against infection or injury. However, inflammation can harm your healthy tissues and joints, causing pain. If your chronic pain lasts for months or years, it can be debilitating. What diseases cause inflammation? Chronic inflammation is known to be caused by certain diseases. Heart disease, high blood pressure, IBS, autoimmune diseases, asthma, depression, type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and cancer are all examples of inflammatory diseases. If you have chronic knee and joint pain, you may be in the early stages of one of these diseases. Discuss your symptoms with your doctor and what may be causing your inflammation pain. How to make spicy turmeric ginger tea for knee and joint pain. Here is what you will require: 1 cup water, 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric, ideally organic, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, again preferably organic, a spoonful of honey if desired to add sweetness, also a small strainer. Instructions: boil a cup of water in a small saucepan, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon ginger, reduce to low heat, allow 10 to 15 minutes for cooling. Strain mixture. Take a sip and add honey to taste. And enjoy. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.